If you want to know how to get this easy, simple rose gold look that I have, keep on watching. So there you have it. That's how I get the rose gold. I am going to come back with the end result. Sorry, I have a little bit of makeup on my face, and put my mascara on and show you the end result. So this is the end result of the rose gold. I don't know if you can see. I'll close my eyes, see if you can see the eyeshadow. I'm in love with it. It's easy and it's fast, and I didn't pay a lot of money for the colors. I've only paid like maybe $5 for all of the eyeshadow that I used maybe 4 or something. So I picked it up at Winco. This is a great holiday look, ladies. I'm in love with it and it's very popular. So this is how you get it, and this is the end result. I'm gonna close my eyes one more time so you can see what it looks like. And then I'll turn around and face the camera so you can see even better. I don't know about the lighting, but see how it's pinkish gold. I'm in love with it, and all I did was blend colors together. So I blended dark purples, pinks, and light pinks together. So I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and keep on watching for the next makeup tutorial.